Hello everyone, wonderful to meet you all once again. Today the poem that we are going to deal with is the most popular poem by the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu, Palanquin Barrows. So here goes the lines of the poem. Lightly, oh lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So those were the lines of the poem, and now let's see something about the poet Sarojini Naidu. She lived between 1879 and 1949, and she is well known as the Nightingale of India. And she is also a very famous English poetess. She lived during the independent movement time in India. She was a political activist, and she also played an active role in the freedom movement. She was the first woman to become the governor of the Indian state, often to offer after independence actually. And some of her major contributions are like the the bird of time, the golden threshold, in the bazaars of Hyderabad. So these are some of the popular works by this well-known and renowned poetess of India, who had actually brought Indian women poets to the limelight. So moving on forward, we're going to see an analysis or a summary of the poem. So this poem basically has the various stanzas, and in the stanzas we see that it describes how a bride is taken from her home after marriage to her in-laws place, and how she is carried in a palanquin barrows. And it is the song that these palanquin barrows are singing about this new bride. So the palanquin bearers in stanza 1, the palanquin bearers carry the new bride in the palanquin, and very gently they are moving, and moving. The movement is very soft also. And as they carry the bride to the in-laws house, we see that they do not find it as a burden. They find that she's very light in weight. They tell the bride is so light to carry, and it feels like as if the princess is swaying with the movement of the palanquin. And the palanquin's bearer's song is just like how the flower sways in the wind. We see that the palanquin is also swaying because of the light weight of the bride. And moving on, we just see that the movement of the bride, it's actually compared to that of a bird, and it's like she skims on the foam of the froth of a stream. And the bride is also so delicate to carry. She resembles a bird which is light, in its flight. And she floats like a dreamy smile, like how when a person smiles from his lips, how that smile is so dreamy. So she is also the same way, the new bride. So the bride is actually leaving her parents behind, and she's going to start a new phase of her life, and so she has these mixed feelings. There is joy on one side, and she has an ethereal tender laugh, and that energizes the lips of the person. But at the same time, the bride is also having some sorrow in leaving her parents and going. So she's like the tear which falls down from the eye. And we also see that she's adorned with good jewelry, and there are pearl necklaces and everything. So the way they are carrying her, they are actually comparing her, like how the palanquin is lifted between these palanquin barrels. They say that she's like this pearl necklace which is the pearls hanging in a pearl necklace. So she's just swaying in between, and here the bride is compared to a pearl on a string, and she's very precious and delicate like a jewel. So we also say that as they keep carrying her, and further we say that she's so delicate and tender, and she's so soft. They actually are enjoying the way they are carrying her, and the bride is actually compared to a star that is reflected in the soft dewdrops. and she's dressed so brightly, and her appearance is like that bright shining light that is reflected on the surface of the waves. And the way she appears is like she it is so gentle, and like a gentle teardrop, she falls, and there's new life in what she's bringing. So the palanquin bearers are happily and they sail smoothly as they carry the palanquin bearing the bride, so that for them they keep singing the song, so that this whole journey is not strenuous for them. So this is a very very light poem written by Sarojini Naidu. It's full of similes, and it's a very beautiful poem describing the beauty of the bride. At the same time, it also talks about the labor which the palanquin bearers are put into, but still they enjoy this whole ordeal. Thank you.